Pare-pareho. Mano, meron ka.
Sige po. Sir, ito na lang po yung available.
Former Senate President Vicente Tito Sotto III recently shared a light-hearted and funny off-cam moment with his fellow Eat Bulaga hosts on TikTok. In the video, Tito is seen enjoying a meal with Maine Mendoza, Atisha Mulak, and Karen Aistrup. As they sit around the table, with the lechon in front of them, Maine did something that made everyone laugh. She asked Tito what part of the lechon he wanted, jokingly acting like a server at a restaurant. Tito casually replied, telling Maine to give him whatever she had. Maine, known for her humor, responded with a witty punchline. She quipped that the only thing left in the lechon are the leaf stuff inside. Her hilarious response made the entire group burst into laughter.
Pare-pareho. Mano, meron ka.
Sige po. Sir, ito na lang po yung available.
Pwede na talaga sila magsunggero ngayon. Hugo!
Hugo!
Tingin sa akin, miles at saka rice kami, enjoy civic, tapos, parang Joey, binigyan din. Hindi nabigyan. Royal Grape. Huwag ka nagmumura.
Hindi, kahit yung prado ko, ginawa ko na yun. Hindi...
Ano, ha? Ano, ha?
Hindi ka naman.
Courtesy of Maine Mendoza Casino. Resort and Casino.
Wala na ba na yung